very excited to show you that my API is working fine, and you can see you have seen my video in my previous video in which I showed you the backend docs for my API. Now I will create the front end. It's working fine. You can see here. So basically this is not like a beautified one version, but it's a working version. Okay. So here you can go to the dashboard. Okay, like this is the dashboard, available credit 30, you can add the credits if you want to. Okay, and this is the blog I created. Now generate the blog. If you want me to generate the new blog, okay, I will generate a new blog. Let's give me the title. uh, how to raise a baby, write a blog on how to raise a baby in new टेक्नोलॉजिकल वर्ल्ड. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट ब्लॉक दे रहा हूँ. And word count for this, now I will keep it nearly 500. So we will check it out if it's generating or not first, then we will check it out on our website. Okay, and guys, beautifully the blog is generated. Okay, how to raise a baby, view करते हैं पहले इसको. Okay, how to raise a baby in the new technological world, parenting in today fast pace, setting a boundaries early, this type of thing. Like, it's a beautiful bro. Publish to WordPress. You can check the word count 500, SEO 85, plugin 3. Okay, so now I have to give the video to hide my credential. Okay, and if you want to use, you can use, but I don't. Now it's done, and here is the password. Okay, so I given all these things, and now I will go for the publish. And first you check my blog, there is no blog, recent blog about that. What should a baby eat after one? I will show this blog in how I created and posted. Now for the demo I will give you the new. Okay, now publishing, and I think the blog is published on our website. It's too much easy, how to raise a baby, and you can see the whole blog. Okay, okay guys, this is my video. If you want to make this type of video or AI tools, you can like come to me and ask me how to do it. I do not know anything, but I did a full stack development, and from like with AI and Python only majorly, and I also worked on React first time. So guys, this is amazing. World is changing. If you want to write something good, make something good, do it right now. It's the beautiful time. You can see my creation. I will beautify it in some time, guys, but literally you can change anything, you can innovate anything. Just do it, just go with AI and Python and just learn it. It will help you out in future. Thank you guys.